Cook for you, spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for you presents buffalo wings. Take a look at the whole chicken wing. Chicken wing has 3 sections: drumette, the wingette, and wing tip. Flip the whole wings over. Divide into 3 parts. You can also cut it with sharp scissors. We've got drumette, wingette and wing tip. Repeat the same procedure for all. Put the wings in a bowl. Wingette and drumette portions are generally used for more recipes, so discard the wing tip or use in stock. Squeeze the half lemon. Add teaspoon of vinegar. Pour cold water. Mix well. Let it soak in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. In another bowl, take 2/3 cup plain flour. Add salt to taste. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder. 1 tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder. Half teaspoon onion powder. Combine well. Keep aside. Wash and clean wings, plucking the hairs off from the wings. Place chicken wings one by one on the kitchen towel. Dab and pat them dry. Once they're completely nice and dry, put chicken wings in a mixing bowl. 1 teaspoon paprika powder. Salt to taste. 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. 1 teaspoon red chili powder. Coat well. Let the chicken wings marinated for 1 hour in the refrigerator. Now take each wing at a time. Place chicken wing on dry flour mix. Dust flour. Gently press and coat well. Remove the excess flour. Keep aside. Coat one by one. Repeat the same procedure for all. Heat up the oil for frying. Fry chicken wings. Flip and cook. Deep fry until crispy. Remove it. Remove in a mixing bowl. Pour ready-made buffalo sauce over the wings. Sprinkle some chives. Some coriander leaves. Toss them very well. Mix well with the help of tongs. Time to plate. Place buffalo wings. Sprinkle more chives. Twist and turn. Bones will come out easily. Here you have boneless chicken wings. They're moist, tender and juicy. Serve with Alabama sauce. Do try this recipe and share your valuable feedback in the comment section. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.